Hello everybody, Vincent St. Louis here. Hey, I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial for everybody that's on Aweber. You're probably kind of wondering how to set it up and or how to what kind of emails should be sending out to your people. I know I had quite a few emails that I kind of created and they weren't really producing. So what I did, and this is some great information for everybody here, go to, let's find it here, it's my Facebook page. Let me tell you, if you're not a member, if you haven't liked this Dave and Dave's Empower team, you need to go to this Facebook page. This is actually the true corporate Empower network. There's probably other great ones out there, but if you're not on this one and you think you're on the corporate one, then you're on the wrong one. I know there's a lot of people that have Empower Network Facebooks out there, but this is the one. So what you want to do is you want to go to Docs. Okay, and in here you will find I think this is it right here. No, that's not it. Sorry, guys. You need to go in here. Campaign code for Aweber. There it is, the first one. I'm so ADHD, it's like you can't see the forest for the trees in the way. But anyways, go in here. See this code right here. I'm going to show you how to put this in here. There's some great information in here. So read through all these questions and answers and stuff like that. That's some good information. But honestly, quite honestly, I was very confused. I didn't get what these guys were saying. And I've been on Aweber for a long time. Actually, but my wife did most of the Aweber stuff. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. So you're going to highlight that code, copy that code, go to your Aweber panel. Now, whatever, if you've got a bunch of different lists like I do here, I've got a bunch of different lists. I've got several different lists that my Empower, don't get confused on that. Just pick one list for now. But I've already uploaded it to my 98,000 hours, so I'm going to go to VS Enterprises now, and I'm going to upload this into, so now this is where the follow-ups that I had going out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to upload that code right into here. Paste, load campaign. Okay, now once this thing processes, you're going to see there's 80 different emails that are going to go out. 80 different emails. Now I'm going to show you what to do with those emails. Okay, there's a couple of things that you're going to need to do. Go to your list settings. Make sure you're still in the list that you're working on. Okay, what I want you to do in here, if you've already filled out this stuff right here, then what I want you to go to is personalize. And this is where I want you to do a couple of things right here. What I want you to do in here is you're going to put your website URL. I would recommend maybe your Empower Network blog. So you can go into there. Here's my Empower Network blog, because you want to keep people in your Empower Network stuff. If you got other websites, then you're taking people back and forth out of Empower Network into your other, like I had right here. I didn't realize this stuff. Oh, that didn't work. So let me go back here. Go to copy. Paste that right in there. Okay. The other thing I want you to do is get your signature filled out here. I'm going to just do real quick. I'll show you what we're doing. Vincent Carey St. Louis 916-798 whoops 798-8508, and then I'm going to put my Empower Network blog right in there also, because I want this to be in my signature. I want people to find me and go to it. And I'm actually going to change that to something else later, but that's okay. Then what I want you to do, see right here, you scroll down. Remember, you went to the list settings. You came to this page. The first thing is basic settings. Then you go to personalize your list. That's where you do this company branding. Go in here and go right down here. See this right in here. You need to edit all of this, because these little tags are going to save you a bunch of time editing all these emails. I'm going to show you how. So we're going to update that to you can use just your first name, your last name, whatever you want to do. Update. Okay, then edit. My phone number, update. Okay, now this is something that I do different. You can stick with whatever you want to do, okay? He's got his going to the landing page. This was almost kept a secret where people have to add their email again. Well, I don't want them to add their email again. I want them to go directly to the video. So I'm going to actually delete that out of there. Okay, normally you would just have to add your name at the back here, like instead of if you wanted to go directly to that page again, then you would just add your username, whatever that is, back here. But I want to change that completely. Okay, and I want to go to, I've got a file here on my computer where I keep all the shortcuts. This is a file right here. Skip the email, add your email. I'm going to come back to that in a minute. So I'm going to put that right in there. Now I'm going to update that. Okay, then this one right here, all you need to do in this one, like I said before, instead of replacing that whole thing, because that is going to the direct one, you want it to the join page, we're going to put our username in there, which is Carrie. So all you need to do is keep everything the same. Join PHP ?ID. If you got any of the links that Dave send out, any of the videos, any of the capture pages, anything, all you got to do is add this right here, ?ID equals your username to the back of everything, and it'll go, even the videos that Dave does, everything you will have right there. So update. Now you'll get credit for that. And then power name, you need to edit this. Okay, our Empower name is Carrie. So we've got that. Update. Okay, create a snippet. You don't have to do anything with that. Save your settings. Now I want you to do something else for me before you're done. What I want you to do, go to message, go back to the list, go back to the list settings. Okay, go to personalize. Now the reason I'm having you do this is I had a problem with this before, and I want you to make sure that all this is correct. Yes, it's all correct. Boom, you're good. Because before I had a problem with the landing page because of the way I was cutting and pasting it. For some reason it wasn't showing up correctly. So you're good with that. Now what we're going to do is go to follow up. This is where your list, where all those emails are that got uploaded. Now they're all up there. Okay. What I want you to do, there's a couple of things that you can do. Now I have not gone through every email to check it. I would recommend you do. There's two ways you can do that. One is you can click on the email name. This pops up and you go in here and you can check everything. But I would recommend to not do it that way because it's just going to take a lot of time. So you have another way to do it. Let's go to the back button. Push on test. Now in here you can send a test email to whoever you want. This is going to send it to me. You click on send, the first one, which is the one you're clicking on. So if you click down here, say number 6, you wanted to test number 6, it's going to show number 6. Or you go in here and you can say send all messages. And this is what I would recommend you do. What's going to happen is your email is just going to get blasted with a bunch of emails. I'm not going to do this because I've already done that. But click send all, click send, and you're going to get all 80 emails or that you would be sending out to your prospects, to your funnel list. Your autoresponder is going to be sending out, and you'll get all these emails. Then what I would recommend you do is to go into your email, and I'm going to show you right now, because my email's in AOL. So you would go into your email. Sorry about that, you guys. I hate that thing. And you'll see right here, I got all these emails here, and I haven't gone through them all, but what I would recommend you do is just click on it. Okay, and this is something you're going to need to do. Now this is just one of the emails. I want you to go through everywhere there's a link, click on the link, and make sure right here that your username is right there after it. That's all you need to do. Just look, is your username there? Click off it. Look, is your username there? Click off it. And I've got to do one thing because it didn't work. See how, oh, this is an old email. So this is before I fixed the landing page. I do not want it coming to this landing page. I don't care. I've got their email already. I want them to watch the video. And if you notice, I will show you right now. Whoops, that's the wrong thing. Let's go to here. I'm going to send myself this one right here. Send test, number 1, send test. Okay, there it goes. You heard the click probably. So I'm going to kind of just save this right now because I want to come back to that. I want to show you something else you need to do with that picture there. So right here is this one. Okay, that's the one I just sent. Now I'm going to click on it. Carry. See, this is what I want them to go to, not that other landing page.
I want you to stop.
Okay. I'm not going to stop what I'm doing, Dave. I'm just getting started. Fired up. So there it is, okay? So those 2 links are working, and then I've got this one in there that's mine. Just check all the links and make sure they go, and it should work. I haven't found any problems. The only problem I have found, and this is a personal choice of yours, these pictures are clickable. Now, last one I click, okay, this one goes directly to the landing page, and remember that it's been changed there. I found one picture, and I'm going to show you which ones were not going correctly. So you need to click on the links. I personally do not want a picture going to somebody else's page. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to back in here. That's done. I had a problem with number 3. Let me look in there, see what that was. Actually, I need to also send myself one. Let me see, what was that problem with number 3? Okay, here it was. This right here, what we're going to do, we're going to go back a second because I want to show you how to fix that. Okay, number 3 was a problem. I found number 3 and 27. I had to fix something. Send a test, number 3, send test. Okay, here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly what that was. Okay, right in here, the picture is a link. Okay, that picture takes me to this person's capture page. Very few people will actually click on that picture, but I don't want to send them to somebody else's capture page. This is no fault of the person that gave us these swipes. It's just something that was missed. It's no fault of theirs whatsoever. I just showing you so you can fix it. You don't want people going that. So what you're going to do in here is you're going to go back to your the email, and you're going to come in here to load. Sorry, because I'm recording this, it's kind of a little slow and I go so fast anyways. What I want you to do is click on this, click on the picture, and then you're going to do this. You're going to change the link. Now you can do one of 2 things. Don't push remove the link. I did that and the whole picture went away. You can either get rid of it like that, or do like I was doing earlier and grab your capture page, copy, and place that right in there, and that's just going to send them right back to the now that was linked. And then now when you change that, make sure you save message. Always save message every time you change, otherwise it's not going to save. The reason you want to go in there to global changes like I showed you in the list settings is this. This is brilliant these guys did. It took me a while to figure out. Let me tell you, I changed manually a lot of these before I went back and looked at it again. So let's just pick this one just for instance. Okay, I'm going to show you what they've done. These guys are great. See, it just goes to show you, man, Empower Network, these guys are all about helping you win. So this is a link right here. You can tell because it's blue. I'm going to show you what they did. If you go back in there and change those settings, see this right here? This right here, global, percent, empower, name, this is right there what you just changed in your settings. This is telling the Aweber that this right here means to add your global username in there, which is, for us, is Carrie. So it's just, you don't have to go in there and check every link. They've already added that coding in their signature right there. Okay, they put that in there. This tells Aweber that your signature, the thing where I had you fill out your name and stuff, it's going to show up in there. Let me show you both these things right here. I'm going to show you right here. Watch video. This right here is a link right here. You can check it by going in here, but save yourself a bunch of time. This is that boot camp video. Look right there. There's that code at the very end of it. See it right here? Okay, that code tells Aweber that that's my information. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to, that was number 11. I'm going to show you how that works. You got this. This is going to save you so much time. Okay, I'm going to send a test. Click. We got it already. Okay, we already fixed that one. Remember, we fixed it. I showed you how to fix it. Let's see right here. I know you guys like 453 emails. I've got a lot of. You just don't have enough time in a day to do all that other stuff. Look, you know what the great thing about this is? What makes me money? Marketing and selling, not creating my own swipe. I would rather do this and have used their swipe, and I can spend more time. See, look right here, that link. Remember I showed you it? Global username, that's right there. These guys already saved me all that time and trouble. Boom, right there. It's going to our, now this is Dave Woods or Dave Sharp's thing. See? So this is his video of the boot camp. Sorry, Dave. But the neat thing is, if these guys click on this, look, it goes to your capture page, you guys. You don't have to worry about it. So anyway, so they done that. Just go through and check all your links on all your emails. That's all I would recommend you do. Just go through it, make sure there's no pictures in there. The other one I had a problem, and I don't remember what that problem was number 27. Let me see what that one was. Okay, let's go to, what I'm going to do is back here. I'll just help you walk through these two. I haven't gone through every one yet. Test. Okay, I'm going to check that email. See what the problem was with this one. I'll show you how to fix that real quick. Show images. That one was not the problem. Maybe it was that picture again. That wasn't the problem. Nope, that one's working too. Maybe it was this one. Nope, see Carrie St. Louis, so that one's correct. I don't remember what the issue I had with that one. Maybe I fixed it by fixing my account settings. We'll look through it. Just bear with me, you guys. That's going to the right place. They join here. Going to the right place. You can see our name up there. That right there. Username's up there. So I don't see a problem with that one at all anymore. Good. So you're good to go. Make sure just click on all the pictures. Make sure the link. So right now with what I've gone through, I've only found one that I needed to adjust. But like I said, you need to go through and check them all. So anyways, I hope that helps you guys. Just to recap real quick, go to your list you want to adjust. Okay. Make sure you click it in there. Go to settings. Okay. Make sure you got the stuff written in here, whatever it is you're doing. And then go to personalize, fix this with your name and blah, blah, blah. This is your signature. Those quotations with the signature, that's what's going to go to. Okay? And then come down here and adjust this global text snippet. And change all these. Edit right there. Edit right there. Edit. Make sure you push save. And then when you save all 4 of these, push save again down here. You guys got to remember, you got to save stuff. I've done it so many times and wonder what was wrong. Then you go to follow-up messages. Go to the very bottom. You paste that code that's right here in Dave Woods. Dave and Power Network. How did I find that? In case I went too fast. You go to documents. There, right here, campaign code for Aweber follow-up messages. Right there. There's the code right there. You cut and paste that in there. That's where you're going to put it into here. Right there. It'll upload all 80 messages. This is so great, you guys. Now you can spend time. Look, focus on what makes you money. It's like network marketing. What makes you money? Prospecting, showing the plan, signing people up, selling product. That's it. Well, that's what makes you money here? Spending time doing this? No. I mean, doing it once like this, or spending time marketing, talking to new people, stuff like that. So anyways, you put it in there, go through there. To send the test to yourself, send test, and change this to send to all. or send all. Make sure you add your email in there, the name, and boom, you're done. So anyways, my name is Vincent St. Louis, and here's a look. I'll let you guys show my awesome blog. We post every day here. Yes, we blog every single day almost. We do miss one or two. We're not machines, but even if it's just a little post, it doesn't have to be the best. Anyways, I'll end it with this, you guys. Hey, Vincent St. Louis, thank you, Dave and Dave. You guys are awesome, giving us the opportunity of a lifetime, an opportunity that anybody can take advantage of, and hope you guys have a very blessed day.